Today I'm going to show you how to take the door panel off from this '05 Chevy Equinox. If this video is helpful to you, you hit that thumbs up button. It really helps me out. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is remove this here. All you need to do is stick a screwdriver or a knife in here, and you can just pop this out, just held in by a clip there, and then you unplug this little wire there. And then you're going to take out this guy here. All you do is take out that Phillips screw that goes right in here, and then this has a little clip right there, so you just kind of push in there, pull out, and then pull the door handle out. This will slide right out. Next, I've already got them all popped loose, but there's a bunch of little tabs like this green one right here that just pop in there. So what I did is I just took my knife and went around the whole door, just popping all of those loose. You're gonna have to go all the way around the whole door. They're all the way around. Last thing is taking this piece of trim here out. So you can see there's a little clip there that kind of slides in, and then it just snaps on. It just has these little snaps there. Again, I just took my knife and kind of stuck it up through here and popped it out and worked my way down this way until it came out the back. Pulled it out here, and then you don't want to start over here and pull it out here because of this little tab in here. You'll break this tab off. Okay, after you got that out, there's a screw here and here. I already took this one out. It's a 10 mil. And then after you take that screw out, this will just about fall right off. Let's just see here. Yep, you can just take it off right like that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit that thumbs up button. Think about subscribing. Thank you.